Caitlín Nic Gabhann, and I'm going to play the McNeela Wren 2 for you now. This was designed and developed by McNeela. It's a good beginner concertina, a good introductory price. It has Italian steel reeds, it's compact in size, and I'm going to play a reel for you on it now so you can hear what it sounds like. The reel is called The Green Fields of America.